Parrots. Special birds. There are many interesting birds in the world, and parrots are among the most amazing. What makes parrots so special? Pretty birds. Many parrots are beautiful with bright feathers in one or more bold colors. Parrots can be green, blue, yellow, red, or a mix of many colors. They can also be black, white, or gray. They can even be pink. Smart birds. Parrots are super smart, like humans, apes, and dolphins. Parrots' brains make up a big part of their bodies. Large brains give parrots the ability to learn, remember, and reason. Scientists have studied some parrots that are as smart as children in kindergarten. Talking birds. What parrots are best known for, however, is their ability to learn and mimic sound. Many parrots can repeat words or sounds they hear. Some parrots can even speak using hundreds of different words. African prey. Parrots are famous for their speaking ability. Some African greys can tell jokes, count, and correctly name shapes and colors. Some of them can even speak in more than one language. Did you know humans can use vocal cords to talk, but parrots don't have vocal cords. Parrots have to change the shape of the walls of their throats to speak. What makes a parrot a parrot? There are more than 350 different kinds of parrots. The three main groups of parrots are true parrots, cockatoos, and New Zealand parrots. Although par- although parrots come in many different shapes and sizes, they are all alike in some ways. What's in a name? Parrots include many different birds, such as Amazon parrots, African parrots, macaws, parakeets, including budgerigars or budgies, parrots, parrotlets, conures, lories, lorikeets, lovebirds, cockatoos, cockatiels, cacas, kakapoos, and keys. Parrot beaks. Almost all parrots have large, curved bills with a pointed upper half and a short, strong lower half. Parrots are sometimes called hookbills because their upper bills are shaped like hooks. Strong bills allow many parrots to crack open nuts and fruits that other animals can't. Parrots also use their bills to hold objects, clean the feathers, and help them climb. Parrot toes. All parrots have 4 toes on each foot, with 2 toes pointing forward. and two pointing backward. They use their feet for climbing, cleaning their heads and beak, and grabbing and holding objects. They are the only birds that hold their foot in one foot while they eat it. Did you know? Because they have toes pointing both forward and backward. Parrots are good at hanging upside down. Some parrots, known as hanging parrots, even sleep upside down. Parrot heads. Parrots have large, round heads with eyes on the sides. Most have circles of skin around their eyes where there are no feathers. Some parrots have a crest or crown of feathers on the top of their heads. Cockatiels and cockatoos can raise and lower the feathers on their crests. They use their crests to communicate with other birds and to scare away predators. What parrots eat? Parrots eat fruits, nuts, seeds, flowers, and other plant parts. Some also eat insects and other small creatures. A few kinds of parrots feed on nectar, a sugary liquid made by flowering plants. These parrots have special tongues that help them get nectar from flowers. Wowzers! Parrots live a long time. Some larger parrots can live to be more than 85 years old. Where parrots live. Most parrots live in warm rainforests in tropical and subtropical areas. Central America, South America, and the islands in around Australia have the greatest variety of parrots. A few kinds of parrots build nests. Most parrots live in hollow spaces that grow naturally in tree trunks. Some dig holes in cliffs, banks, or the ground. Did you know a parrot's beak never stops growing? The beak is made of hard keratin, a much stronger version of what your fingernails are made of. Parrots need to eat hard, solid foods, often to wear down their beaks so they don't grow too large. Parrots are popular. Parrots are the rock stars of the bird world. Their beauty, intelligence, and playfulness have made them popular with people everywhere. Parrots as pets. Many people keep parrots as pets. Unfortunately, parrots can be hard to care for properly because they are very smart. Parrots get bored easily, so they need a lot of attention. Parrots are loud and messy. They naturally want to fight and be with other birds. Parrots are not cared for properly, often become sick or sad. Parrots can live to be very old, so caring for them can take a lifetime. Animal shelters receive many unwanted parrots each year. For this reason, the Human Society suggests that people think very carefully before keeping parrots as pets.